FragWatch here. First keycap review and unboxing. Here we go. We have the glorious GPBT Star Sign limited edition set. Just came in yesterday. I don't know if they're sold out yet. Typically a big fan of their releases. Pull out these blunt scissors again. Oh my lord. Oh no, I did get that. Wow, why is this giving me problems here? It just might be one of those mornings, I guess. Yeah, it is one of those mornings. Boy, oh boy. Okay. All right. Set that over here. We have cards. There's okay. Nice. Okay. Nice. All right. And we got that, and the tool, Euro keys. Okay, I'll give you a little pan on those. That is some specials and some, I don't know what the keycaps are called. These are nice. I'll take some of these out of the package in a second. Everything you get in the box, you get 5 plastic containers that they stack nicely and they're labeled, so you know what order to stack them in. I do like that. Let's open this plain Jane one first. This is the B2, so it's the second one down in the stack. I have every release but 2 of these glorious keycap sets. They're limited edition. I enjoy them. They're nice. There have been a couple sets that they're nice when you can open them. I swear to God. I need like a screwdriver to open these. Oh my lord. Okay. So I have something to pry it open, like a crowbar. Let's take out this shift key. That's nice. This looks like double shot PBT, feels like it. It's got a really nice coating, good texture. The star design does stick out. The shift typography is, I wish it was a little different. It's kind of hard to read. But overall, this is nice. They're kind of lower profile. They don't seem like they fit a normal. It's kind of weird profile. Yeah, let's get one of these. We'll do G, as in GG. I can't wait to get these on my keyboard, because right now I still got the Christmas keycaps on from Wise Owl. It's a nice, oh, that's a cool. This is smoother. Oh, yeah. This G is smooth. It has a smoother texture. And this, it must be the type of powder coating they paint the blue keys with. Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah, that feels different. Very slight, but it's sensitive, delicate little Tinker dwarf hands. So, God, I almost don't want to seal this back up because I'm going to be doing the keycaps in like 3 hours here. Changing them out. I'm going to follow this up immediately by a review of these Christmas keycaps so I can get them off of here. Maybe I'll pull. I think I got a tool to pull them off. Okay, get this open. Sorry for not doing that exactly on camera. Here is the unobstructed view. Let me get those in focus of the zodiac symbols you get. Kind of cool. In the comparison, I should have left this off. You got that number row, right? Then that number row keys, and then you have like the white background. Like, I think that's really neat. I think that's cool. Cool. Okay. What kind of? It looks like we got 2 different options for spacebar. Am I doing this right? There we go. We have the one in that kind of gold-ish peach color. The old school star color, right? And then you have this one. And then, oh, and the third one, a white one. Neat. Yeah. Okay, this is exciting. I'm stoked for this. All right, that's my initial impressions and unboxing and probably review of this. I don't know if I'll do a review. I don't know my format for keycaps yet. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments how you think I should approach keycap unboxings, initial impressions, and reviews. Maybe show a live stream of me applying them to the keyboard. We'll be putting them on a Black Diamond 75 RT from Angry Meow and Dry Studio. Sweet Hall Effect keyboard. My lord, holy moly. Different league. It's like going to a cyberboard. It's just a different league that you're playing with. Yeah, anyways. With that, I'll let you guys go. I'll do a quick review here of these Christmas keycaps. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.